Hey there, what's up YouTube? I am Jerry and welcome back to the show. For those of you who've been with me since the very beginning, you'll know that this show has been called the Chi-Town Griller. However, recently you may have noticed that the name has changed to the Chicago Griller. Now, don't worry, I'm still going to be sharing the same simple and fun recipes tailor-made for the Weber Q gas grill. From your staples, like burgers and steaks, to exotic recipes like Japanese pancakes and Korean meatballs, this show has something for everyone. Now, I'll be coming out with new recipes every single week, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out. Thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you every week. Bye now.